John Van Leenen, New Zealand, Sotheby's International, the Manawatu, number 7 Cyprus Place, Summerhill, near Massey University, of course the Summerhill Shopping Village, and lots of great schools. But a home, a traditional brick home, 247 square metres. It is big. Now I have to say, this is a beautiful living room. You'll see the kitchen behind me, stunning in terms of scale and size, and definitely this living room is gorgeous. There's a separate lounge, of course, as big, and then we've got 4 bedrooms, the internal access double garage, ensuite, and walk-in wardrobe, and loads of storage. Let's have a little wander through. This is outstanding. Well, we hope you love the property here at number 7 Cyprus Place in Summerhill. We said the location's so nice, a traditional 247 square metre home, brick. People love that, but spacious is the word. We've got beautiful views of the ranges. We have a cul-de-sac location, built in 2019. It is home. It's beautifully private, fenced, perfect for children, or of course, pets. So at 740 square metres, you'll love the section. The rateable valuation is 1.145. Call Michelle or myself anytime soon. This is a great property.